Hey, what's going on, folks? This is Keith and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. Today I've got my '05 Honda Odyssey here and we're going to be replacing the tail lamp assembly on the right hand side. This is similar for the left hand side. Let's go ahead and get in there. Let's pop the trunk. Okay, let me see if I can do this one-handed. Just take your flat tip screwdriver up in there like that. Pop that cover off. Same thing on the bottom one here. Now the heads on these screws, you could either use a Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm socket. I'm going to use an 8mm socket. Pull that screw out, put it aside. Pull that screw out, put it aside. Now for this part, you're going to need some kind of a non-marring trim tool, such as one that you see right here, or a bone. This is a plastic material and it's easy on the paint and easy on your plastic surfaces. Even then, you got to be real careful, don't scratch up the paint or anything, so just be aware of your paint. We got to take the hook end here, we're going to place it right in between that panel and the tail lamp assembly, and we're just going to pull rearward towards me, and that just dislodged that little push pin in there. And this right here is that little push pin I was telling you about. It goes up in that little receptacle there. So now we got to take our sockets out of the back side of the tail lamp assembly. We're just going to turn counterclockwise. Pull that out like that. Same thing on the bottom one here. Counterclockwise. Let's pull the whole thing out. Alright, here's our new tail lamp assembly. Let's go ahead and put it in there. I'm going to start out with my bottom bulb. Put it in the receptacle. And let's see here if I can do this one-handed. Alright, and tighten it by turning it clockwise, and it will stop once it's at the point where it's tightened enough. And then your turn signal bulb, which is the amber one, goes in the top. Turn it clockwise to tighten it. Alright, it's at the stop there. Now we got to put our push pin in that receptacle. Get it right up on in there like that. And of course on this side it has to be over that little hump right there. And you'll kind of figure it out. It's kind of self-explanatory. Once you got your push pin in your receptacle and everything lined up, just give it a little push. You know, click in just like that. Now we got to put our screws back in, or bolts. Get that out of there. Alright, well there you go, guys. Oh, of course, you got to put your little covers back on, excuse me. Don't forget those. And then you're done. Of course, you want to get in there and you want to press your brakes, make sure that the brake lights work, make sure that your running light works, and of course your turn signal bulb up top there. And if it does, you're good to go, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Please excuse the mess around here. It's been kind of crazy. We've been cleaning up. If you have any questions, comment down below. Please like and subscribe. Please read the entire description of this video before you attempt this. Thanks again.